Hello guys, good morning. In this video, we will visit a tourist destination, namely Watu Gajah Park. What is Watu Gajah Park? Watu Gajah Park is a tourist spot. Watu Gajah Park provides a very wide parking lot of visitors. The vehicle fare for motorbikes is charged 3,000 rupees, while for car is charged around 5,000 rupees. Wow, so many visitors are coming. Can friends see full of vehicles in the parking lot and visitors lining up to buy their ticket? At the Watu Gajah Park entrance, there are umbrellas, balloons, colorful decorative flowers hanging over visitors. Look like a rainbow. Rainbows, how beautiful I am. Red, yellow, green in the blue sky. It's why do I sing? Let's get back on the right path. Next, we are directed to beautiful and amazing pathway. After that, we were immediately greeted by a spacious restaurant, and there was a photo spot for the house because we visited this store during it. In addition, the restaurant provides a variety of food and drinks. For example, meatball, chicken soup, various snacks, iced tea, and others. For friends who are curious, keep watching this video, okay? Exiting the restaurant, we were immediately greeted by a bright view. There is a fountain that flows with the sound of gurgling water. There are 7 statues of women carrying jugs filled with water in the photo spot of the fountain. To the left of the fountain, there is also a rabbit statue garden for photo spot. In addition, there is a bumblebee transformer robot that accompanies visitors every time to be invited to take pictures together. It's so fun! There is also a statue of large elephant with a long trunk, also suitable for photo spot and education about elephant introduction to children. At Watu Gajah Park, there are rides for children's games. There are slides, carousels, trampolines, seesaw, toy cars, and others. For mothers who want to pamper their children while traveling, while playing, Watu Gajah Park is perfect for your child's happiness.
In Watu Gajah Park destination also introduced us to various unique chickens, ranging from Langi chickens, Dangtao chickens to Brahma chickens. They also explain in detail about the chickens. Right next to the chicken coop, we immediately met a lovebird which contains several colorful birds in cute cages. Don't forget two famous features of this time. In front of the lovebirds, there are also statues of figures such as Soekarno, Muhammad Hatta, and Roman figures. In this destination, there is also a butterfly garden, in which there is a butterfly breeding process starting from caterpillars until they become butterfly later. Is it beautiful, right? The garden is equipped with nets and trees so that butterflies are comfortable living there. After we go down, we can also see a koi pond which contains many small koi fish equipped with artificial rocks flowing with water so that it looks attractive and comfortable for the fish. As if taking us to fairy tale world, this destination also provides a mini tree house that can be entered with a ladder inside. After arriving at the top, we were treated to a beautiful view because we could see all the exciting rides. Beside the tree house, there is also a bee house. After leaving the tree house, we can immediately enter King Kong Cave. Above that, there is a statue of large King Kong with a booming sound from inside the cave. After we entered the cave, it's like we entered the era of ancient human because inside there are icons such as paintings of prehistoric humans, dinosaurs, mammoths, and King Kong on the walls. The ceiling is also made like outer space with constellations in the form of zodiacs. Inside the cave, there is also a statue of Komodo dragon. There is also a ladder leading to the King Kong statue above.
Now, to fill our stomachs, we don't need to worry, because here there are restaurant and cafe Japanese feel, with prices that are not so expensive. The menu here has ramen and types of noodles and drink, and what we ordered was cemas noodles and iced tea. There is a fish therapy pool for the feet where there is marlon as if we were in Singapore. We can sit back while soaking our feet in the therapy pool, but remember this pool is not for swimming. Next is swimming pool with bubble bath and Korean brides. If we walk on these brides and stop at the end of the circle, we can see rice fields and green scenery, and if we look down, there is an atmosphere in the swimming pool. This is a dragon statue, and there is a peacock statue on it. There is a pretty flower nursery. We passed through this hallway where there are hats hanging above it, like a rustic field. If we look to the side, there is a parallel pipe, used a hydroponic container. Beside boat ride, there is an archery right here. We can practice archery with the equipment provided by the Watu Gajah Park, and you don't have to pay to use it. At the end of the spot at Watu Gajah Park, there is a large dino statue, and in 11 feet above the X. Okay guys, that's all of us in Semarang. We are shifting to Sinjai, Sulawesi. Let's go, bye bye.
Okay guys, now let's go to Sulawesi.
Welcome to one of the tourist destination in Sinjai, Watu pakai Gojek. This area was a former dungeon. There are 1,000 steps to get to the top. This is an ancient site, an ancient rock. This is the tourist destination Watu pakai Gojek. Thanks for watching.